In this video, I'm going to show you how to add studies on ThinkorSwim Mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open up a chart. So go to the top right and search for something. I'm going to go, for example, inside NVIDIA over here, and then I'm going to open the chart. Now, to actually add studies, which can act like indicators, you have to tap anywhere on the chart, and it's going to show you some buttons on the left. Now, the second button from the top is going to be the studies, so just tap on it. And now from here, as you can see, we're inside the studies menu. Now, here you can search by category, or you could just go ahead and search a specific study. So, for example, if I go and press on the study search, and if I type in, for example, moving, I can see what's, of course, showing up. And as you can see, I have like the simple moving average at the bottom. I can tap on it, and up top, it's gonna get added, okay? Now, from here, I can just tap on a check mark at the top right, and as you can see, it's going to add an basically simple moving average onto my chart. Now, if I want to manage these, I can just tap again, and from here, go into studies yet again, and up top, I can go and, of course, check on the ones that I want to remove, press in the top right, and it's going to remove that specific study or indicator from the chart. That's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.